So, starting with my silly faces. Good morning, Sat Sri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. I am here with my new vlog, and today ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. We're going to Potsdam's lake. Like Potsdam has many beautiful lakes. That's what people told me. और आज हम कोई एक lake देखने के लिए जा रहे हैं. And my friend is taking me there. And let's see how it is. And I will show you the drone shots. So let's have a look at the beautiful city of Potsdam. So here I am with Scarlett. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. So Scarlett and me are going first to the lake, and then for Scarlett, if she wants, then we might go for some Italian thing, pizza or something if she wants. Or yeah, we'll just check out the city, take the drone shots, and come back Saturday da siapa and nahi rakhange. So guys, ये जा रही है ट्रैम और ये हम वॉक कर रहे हैं उस लेक की तरफ. स्कारलेट, व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द लेक? सॉरी, हाइलिंग्स. सो नेम ऑफ द लेक इज हाइलिंग. एंड इज इट ह्यूज इन साइज?
Yeah, it is huge.
ओके.
Do you film me?
Yeah. So the lake is huge, and हम सिर्फ we are walking to it. और 10 minutes, it's like 10 minutes walk.
Yeah.
It's like 10 minutes walk, so we are walking towards it, and then वहाँ पर there we have place to sit and chat and everything, yeah. And do we have a restaurant there?
No.
No. So there's no restaurant. We just check out the lake, take the drone shots of the lake. Potsdam actually वो city है. Potsdam, I heard like from people that some people that Potsdam was earlier recommended to be the capital of Germany. Like there were 5 cities which were selected, and Berlin and Potsdam were 2 of them. Then they finally selected Berlin. And yeah, and this is a very beautiful small kind of place, very calm, relaxed. मतलब बर्लिन में शोर शराबा मतलब तमाशा दिल्ली की तरह रहता है, but Potsdam is very relaxed, calm, soothing. सड़क के बीच में से ट्रैम चल रही है, आप यहाँ वॉक कर रहे हो, और ये ब्यूटीफुल से घर है यहाँ पर. सो एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, परफेक्ट. Finally ਆਪਾਂ ਆ ਗਏ ਬਈ lake ਤੇ, and the lake and the garden is called Neue Garden. Yeah, Neue Garden. ठंड बहुत लग रही है यार, it's too cold man. Scarlett, what should be the temperature right now? What should be the temperature right now?
I looked it up before we started, and it was 4.
4?
Okay.
4 हैगा भाई, and it's windy, so you can take it 2.
Yeah.
Because yeah, whenever it's windy, it's like थोड़ा जिहा होर घट जाता है, थोड़ा होर ठंड वध जाती थोड़ी जी. Yeah, whenever it's windy, it's like little bit more cold. Yeah. Oh. But मैं सोचता यार ਜਿਹੜੇ लोकी people who are living right in these houses and checking out the lake every morning, my God, lucky people. Like people who have the taste of the city and the beauty of this nature together, no? Like just, yeah, exactly. Sona hai yaar, Potsdam is beautiful. Like in Punjabi also, there's like in German that we have a word schön. Schön means beautiful.
Okay, never heard of that, but
Schön.
schön, yeah.
Schön. In Punjabi, in my language, there's a similar word, shona,
Okay.
So like I don't know, across civilizations we have similar kind of words which sometimes we don't find connection with, but when you really put in yourself and see that, yeah, it's so similar. Wow. So are we jumping into it, Scarlett?
You can jump. I was ready.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't want to have a cold.
So what are we doing? We are taking a round of it?
You can try it.
So
Or
like, what's the
maybe-
plan? What do we do?
So I don't know. We can go just right this way.
Okay.
If you go this way, you reach the end of the lake,
Okay.
and on the other side there's another lake.
Oh.
You can. This back is in the mirror.
So by lake ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ lake. Otto!
Komm mal her, Mama, sitz, 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 sitz.
Sit, Otto!
Genau. Sitz und bleib.
Wow. Wow. Dankeschön, thank you so much. Bye bye, Otto. Thank you. So finally, साड़ी walk हो गई, walk is done to the lake and back. And now what's the plan, Scarlett? What are we going to do? So we are going to a very beautiful place called Pizza Fabric, and it is right next to where we stay. So how was it, Scarlett?
What?
Did you like the walk?
Yeah, it was nice.
Or it was too cold? What happened to your hands, bud? Yeah, exactly. So finally by Saturday the pizza lag gaya table te. My pizza is vegetarist, of course, and yeah, by candles jal gayiyan ne, very nice. The pizza mine is vegetarist. Thank you so much. And ਇੱਥੇ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ. Which one is yours? Yeah, of course. So there's some meat and bucky cheese. I got Scarlett the pizza, and Scarlett will taste and tell us how it is. And when ਆਪਾਂ pizza ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਆ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ how it is. So I'm done with my pizza, and this is definitely one of the best one that I had, and a really good one. So I really recommend the Pizza Fabric, yeah, and a lot of garlic on it. Oh wow, good. So how was the food? Good.